The drought of this summer has gotten to the point where we're really not going to recover this summer, right? It's just a little bit too late for crops for haying, anything like that. Granted, you could get some August rain and see some recovery. That's really not likely. What you will see over the next few weeks, and over the next 2 weeks in particular, is the hottest of the weather will shift around like it does as the pattern slowly shifts, and you will see rain here and there in the form of scattered showers and thunderstorms. You're not going to see the areas that need rain the most get very much rain, at least not for the remainder of July, it doesn't look like. So the drought definitely continues. Some spots conditions will ease a bit, other areas it will get worse, just like we've seen in the last couple of weeks. Temperatures this week, it's going to start off getting pretty hot. The early part of the week, many areas of North Dakota will get and stay for several days up into the 90s and 100s. Most of the hundreds will be west of the 100th parallel in the higher plains, and that'll stretch down through the central plains as well. Southwestern states quite hot. The deep south typically hot, nothing atypical here. Most of the Corn Belt, except for perhaps far western Iowa, is going to be relatively comfortable with weather, generally speaking, in the 80s as we go through the week. After about the middle of the week, it does appear there will be a subtle shift to the jet stream, which will send the hottest weather down south by a state or two, but it's still going to be in the 80s to around 90 in the northern plains, and over the weekend that's conceivable, we'll get a little quick shot of maybe some 70s, but I don't expect that to really take and last. It's going to still warm back up again. But as you can see, by the end of this week, there may be some release from the heat as the jet stream dips a little south. But that is likely to be a temporary feature, as hot weather will likely build northward again during the early part of August. 90s, again, the western high plains will probably see some scattered 100-degree temperatures, so we're not really expecting any major change in this regard. As far as precipitation goes, the main thing that's happening is there are two monsoonal areas. By monsoon, I mean a seasonal type of annual rainfall. You're starting to see in the southeastern states just a continued showery pattern. It's been a fairly wet summer down here. This is really the American monsoon. Showers and thunderstorms coming up out of Mexico, moisture coming up out of the eastern Pacific, and then you'll see that then build up into the Rocky Mountains, and it looks like we are poised for some heavy mountain storms, some of which may drift out into the plains, but not with any great organization. The northern plains, the next couple of weeks, mostly dry. East, southeast, and the Rockies will be the only parts of the country likely getting significant rain.